If you think a leaf tip is only for piping leaves and floral sprays, think again. While it's traditionally used to accent flowers with leaves, it is also used to pipe petals, succulents, borders, trailing cascades, vines, and unique designs that can cover an entire cake. Leaf piping tips are more versatile than you may think. Often used for piping leaves, these tips can also be used to make flower petals, add decorative detailing, and much more, depending on how you hold the decorating bag and the amount of pressure you apply to it. You can create leaves, petals, and decorations in a variety of styles. Use either type of tip to pipe flat, ruffled, or stand-up leaves to suit your design. If you just can't get enough of leaves, or you want an easy way to decorate a cake, then this style cake is for you. While this ombre leaf cake looks difficult, it's just row after row of staggered leaves piped to a tip 70. As a decorator, I am dazzled by all the possible decorations and designs leaf tips can help me achieve. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.